Hi, this is Wu Jiang. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the Cybertruck tire air compressor and repair kit. This accessory can be purchased for $550 on the Tesla shop page. And since I bought the Cybertruck Foundation series, I received a $2,500 Tesla voucher, and I used that credit to buy this accessory. Let's start with the unboxing and take a detailed look. As soon as I open the box, the first thing I see is the tire repair kit. There's a liquid used for emergency repairs when a tire gets flat. It's a product that connects to the compressor, and I'll try testing this out later. Looking inside the box, there's a portable case. It's not a super hard case, but it still looks pretty sturdy, and it has a handle, so it seems convenient to carry around. The Cybertruck logo is engraved on the bottom and handle of the case. Opening the case, you'll find the air compressor unit and the power cord. As a Cybertruck accessory, the design is quite angular and looks pretty stylish. There's a small screen in the middle of the compressor, but it's not a touchscreen. You control the menu settings and functions using the 4 buttons on the side. The air hose is connected to the main unit like this, and it looks like it has a good length. There's a pad attached to the bottom of the hose, which seems like it will help absorb vibrations when inflating. Let's do a quick test. First, I'll remove the Cybertruck wheel cap. We need to connect the power cord, and I'm going to try using it by plugging it into the Cybertruck's power outlet. After plugging in the cord, you need to activate the power outlet on the Tesla screen for the power to turn on. Looking at the screen, you can see the functions for each button. You can navigate through the menus by moving the right arrow buttons up and down. The first menu is Measure, where you can check the current tire pressure. Next is the Tire Inflate menu. Below that, there's a Tire Deflate menu. Pressing the Start button immediately begins to release air. The menu I think I'll use most often is the Preset function. In this menu, you can set your desired PSI in advance for various situations. Using the preset is simple. First, press the back button in the top left corner, and then press the preset button to choose from the saved options. The current tire pressure is normal, but I'll try lowering it to 18 psi, which is suitable for off-road driving. Pressing the Start button immediately starts the operation, and the air slowly releases. The air doesn't just rush out all at once. It releases some air, then checks the pressure again, and repeats the process until it accurately reaches the set 18 psi. Near the very end, it seems like it released too much air, so it even added a little bit of air back to reach 18 psi. The operation speed isn't super fast, so if you need to deflate quickly, it might be more efficient to use other equipment. However, if you're not in a hurry, it's convenient because it adjusts automatically. It started at around 43 psi, and it took about 4 minutes for the air to deflate to the set 18 psi. This time, I'm going to try increasing the tire pressure to 50 psi, which is suitable for road driving. I'll set the preset to street mode and start. I've used other portable air compressors before, but this product wasn't as loud or vibrated as much as I expected, which is good. It took about 4 minutes this time as well for the tire pressure to reach 50 psi. Now, I'll disconnect the air hose from the tire and roll it up like this to put it back in place. The end of the hose doesn't fit perfectly neatly, but since it's going to be stored in the case anyway, it probably won't be a big issue. And the air compressor unit itself also has a handle, making it easy to carry around. Unfortunately, there's no space in this case to store the tire repair kit together, so I'll have to keep that separately. It feels a bit pricey because of the Cybertruck branding, and I'm not sure if it's really worth $550. But since I bought it, I'll probably keep it in the trunk just in case of an emergency. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See ya!